Hello kids, welcome to another video of SS. I hope you had understood the first video of this chapter. Today we are continuing our chapter number 1, the Earth's surface. Now students, in the previous video we had studied about the Earth, how it was formed and how the continents and oceans were formed. Now students, you have already studied that the big land masses on the Earth's surface are called continents. Again I repeat, what is a continent students? The big land masses on the Earth's surface are called continents. And the large continuous masses of salt water are called oceans. So what are oceans? The large continuous masses of salt water are called oceans. Sea, gulfs and bays are the smaller parts of these oceans. Now students, you know that sea, gulf and bay, they are the part of the ocean. Now student, what is a gulf? So Gulf is a large area of sea. Gulf is a large area of sea that is partially surrounded by land. That means it was surrounded by the land. And bay is a part of the sea or of a large lake partially surrounded by a wide curve of land. Bay is a part of sea or of a large lake. It is partially surrounded by a wide curve of land. Now students, next thing is, now you can see here the map is given to us. Okay. Now students, in this map you can see different continents and oceans. The continents are North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia and Antarctica. And the oceans, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay students, I hope you had understood this. Now students, we will study about the continents one by one. So students, there are how many continents in the world? Correct. There are 7 continents in the world. And which are these continents? These are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Now students, we will study about the first continent, that is Asia. Students, do you know that our country India is also located in this same continent in the Asia? Yes, Asia is the largest continent and occupies 1/3 of the world's total land area. You can see here students in the map that Asia is the largest continent and it occupies 1/3 part of the land area. Then student, Asia is surrounded, this continent is surrounded by oceans on the 3 sides. To the north lies the Arctic Ocean, to the east lies the Pacific Ocean and to the south is the Indian Ocean. You can see here students that Asia is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay. And students, in Asia, India and China, these are the 2 most populous countries in the world are located. So, the 2 most populous countries of the world, India and China, are located in which continent? Yes, India and China, the 2 most populous countries of the world, are located in Asia. Okay students, I hope you had understood about our continent Asia. It is the largest continent. It is surrounded by oceans on the 3 sides, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. And the two most populous countries of this continent are India and China. Now students, we will go through the next continent, that is the second continent, Africa. Students, Africa is the second largest continent in the world, and to its north lies the Mediterranean Sea, and to the east lies the Indian Ocean, and to the west the Atlantic Ocean. Africa is also, students, surrounded by the oceans, and north side Mediterranean Sea is there, east Indian Ocean, and west Atlantic Ocean. Students, Africa has diversity in landforms. Diversity means differences. It is the home to the Sahara Desert. Means in Africa we can find the largest desert, that is the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world. Then in Africa there is also the Nile River, which is the longest river in the world. Nile River is the longest river in the world, is also found in Africa. Then the third important thing is that Mount Kilimanjaro, which is the highest mountain in Africa. So in Africa we can find the largest desert, then longest river, and the highest mountain. So this shows the diversity in the landform in the Africa. Now students, our next continent which we are going to study, that is North America. Students, do you know that North America is the third largest continent in the world? It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Pacific Ocean in the west. North America is surrounded by Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. It has high mountains such as Rockies and large lakes such as the Great Lakes, which is a group of 5 freshwater lakes. So North America is also having high mountains like Rockies. There are large lakes such as the Great Lakes. Great Lakes, students, you can see here in the map also it was shown that it is a group of 5 freshwater lakes, that are Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. So these are the different lakes. 5 lakes, Great Lakes group is found in North America. I hope students you had understood about it. Then students, the next important thing about the North America is this continent is home to many developed countries of the world, such as the United States of America and Canada. That means the most developed countries of the world are found in North America, like the United States of America and Canada, which are the very developed countries. I hope students you had understood up to this much for today. In the next video we will continue with the other continents. Till then, you revise this topic and prepare it. Till then, have a good time.